Welcome to our video. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a confident speaker? Every great speaker started somewhere, often with small steps. These initial actions help ease your anxiety. They also build your skills and confidence. Start by engaging in conversations. Share your ideas in group settings. Seek opportunities to express your thoughts. Every successful interaction reinforces your ability to communicate. Celebrate your achievements. They contribute to your growth. Remember, the key isn't perfection, it's progress. Embrace every opportunity to speak. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. As you tackle each challenge, you're preparing for larger engagements. Now let's recap your roadmap to becoming a confident speaker. First, flip that fear into fuel. Channel your energy positively. Next, structure your message for clarity. Practice diligently, alone or with support. Utilize handy delivery hacks to captivate your audience. Beginning small can lead to monumental growth. The journey to mastering public speaking starts now. Seize the stage with enthusiasm. Your voice carries power and worth. Join our community by sharing your experiences. Subscribe for ongoing insights that elevate your communication skills. As you embark on this journey, know that each step forward is a victory. Embrace growth as you transform fears into strengths. Communication is about connecting, sharing, and inspiring others. Own your space. Let your voice resonate. Together we can build a community of empowered speakers. Stay engaged, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to share your progress. Your story matters. Public speaking is a shared experience. By joining us, you encourage others to break free from their fears. Your unique voice can spark change. Celebrate your triumphs and learn from challenges. Each opportunity is a stepping stone toward mastery. Let's create an environment where everyone feels empowered to express themselves. The power of public speaking lies within you. Each story you share boosts your confidence and inspires others. The stage is a space for connection and growth. Embrace this adventure wholeheartedly and let your narrative unfold. Remember, the world is waiting to hear your story. Your unique experiences are treasures waiting to be shared. Each time you speak, resonate with others who feel the same way. Engage in dialogue and share your passions. Let your narrative flow freely. Vulnerability builds connection. Authenticity invites empathy. Approach speaking with curiosity and watch your confidence blossom. Believe in the impact of your voice. It can unite and inspire. Step into every moment with enthusiasm. Let your passion shine through. Your journey as a speaker is uniquely yours. Embrace every moment on this path. Foster connections that enrich both you and your audience. Every time you share, you add value to the collective experience. Charge forward, cultivating your skills and the community around you. With every voice that rises, the world becomes richer in ideas and inspirations. Shine bright and let your authentic self illuminate the stage. Remember, your journey is a testament to growth and resilience. As you share insights, you weave a supportive tapestry of voices. Let your confidence shine and inspire others. Like and follow us for more. You got this!